Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Market Insider Commentary. It's Wednesday, November the 23rd. Thanks for joining us. And I want to take this time to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. Hope you get to spend it with friends, family, loved ones. And wish you the best, not only today, but tomorrow and through the weekend. I will be back on Friday with the next Insider Commentary. You can listen to our exclusive comments at the DTN. If you're an internet subscriber or satellite user, make sure you check those commentaries out. Of course, we have our own commentary for our website for our clients and our subscribers there that get sent out by email and uploaded to our site several times throughout the day. So make sure you check those out as well. Now, in the markets here, we are trading this morning as we're getting on here a little bit later than normal. The beans have backed off of resistance around the 1031 area. We poked above the highs from October and have fallen back below it, but we are finding support around the 1017. So we're carving out a little trading range here in our day. Meal is down sharply. Today we had no private export sale announcements. That's a third consecutive day of lack of sales. And that could be a sign that demand is starting to slow here with the sharp rally in the dollar. And the fact that we have not seen much in the way of sales is an indication of that. So traders will be watching that very closely. Seasonally, everybody talks about the seasonality around the Thanksgiving time frame and the trade here. There's an old adage that if the bulls get Thanksgiving, the bears get Christmas. And it looks like the bulls, for the most part, have had Thanksgiving as seasonally. We've rallied here prior to Thanksgiving holiday. Post-Thanksgiving, it's not a very strong seasonal correlation as corn's only closed higher about 11 times out of the last 36 years post-Thanksgiving. The beans a little bit better, 21 out of 36 years. So it's not a great percentage of a higher or lower close, but the bias is to the upside the day after for soybeans, but only, I think that's like 58%, so not a very strong bias. Wheat's trading a little bit lower here this morning. We took out yesterday's lows after an inside day. That could be bearish turning point for the wheat markets. The cattle futures choppy, two-sided so far. The Fed Cattle Exchange is going to come up a little later this morning. Last week that set the tone for cash trade. So traders will be watching that closely. If we see signs of packer demand, I think the futures try and rally. If we don't see much in the way of demand or improved over the bids that we're seeing out in the country, futures likely to set back in here as there's a strong seasonality for cattle and feeders and hogs all to turn lower post-Thanksgiving into mid-December.